friends, it's Teacher Laura here. Today I want to do a science experiment with you, and we are going to be making our own lava lamps. And they are so fun when they're put together. So what you're going to need is a few ingredients you probably already have in your kitchen. You're going to need cooking oil. You can use whatever kind you have, the clearer the better. You're going to need vinegar and baking soda and some food coloring, whatever color you want to make your lava lamp. I'm going to make mine purple today. So what two colors do you think I need to mix together to make purple? If you said blue and red, then you are correct. I'll do that in just a minute. But first, I have my clear jar, and this is what we're going to use to make our lava lamp. So I already put in a little baking soda in the bottom. You can see about how much I poured in there. So once I have my baking soda poured, I am going to pour my oil on top. Now let's see what happens. I'm going to slowly pour my oil on top. If anything happens between these two things. They don't appear to really be mixing together. I see some air bubbles coming up, but that's about it. And I think I'm going to use about that much oil. About 3/4 filled in my mason jar. So the oil's just kind of sitting on top of the baking soda. Nothing super exciting happening here. So I have another glass with my vinegar in it, and I am going to make my vinegar purple. So I'm going to put about, 3 drops of blue in there. I want it to be really bright. And then I'm going to put in about 1, 2, 3 drops of red. I'm going to stir it together with my toothpick. So I've got this all mixed together. Now what we're going to do is we are going to take our colored vinegar, and I'm going to start pouring it into our oil and baking soda mixture, and let's see what happens. So I'm going to start off just slowly kind of pouring a little bit at first. So did you see? They formed bubbles and went down to the bottom, and what is happening now? They're going back up to the top. And let's see. They're starting to go back down. So once the vinegar hits the baking soda, we have what's called a reaction. The baking soda and the vinegar don't like each other too much. So when the vinegar hits the baking soda, it goes back up, and eventually it floats back down and goes back up again. And we have these cool droplets. So I'm going to add some more vinegar to see if we can add more bubbles into our mixture. Oh, I just love watching this. And even if I don't add more vinegar, it will continue to do this for 5 or 10 minutes or so. And it looks kind of cool up top too. I want to show you what it looks like up top. Do you see all the purple bubbles coming up? Now let's get another side view. It just continues to do this. It's kind of mesmerizing to sit and watch. I am going to add more vinegar just because I have more. Wow. Isn't this so fun? Let me twist it around and maybe it looks different from different angles. So now you know how to make your own lava lamp at home. You could use green food coloring, blue, you could actually make orange and make it look like real lava if you wanted to. So this is something, hopefully, fun that you and your parents can do together at home and have your own fun science experiment. Well, thank you for joining me, and I will talk to you all soon. Bye.